Welcome back. It's art time, class. Today, we're going to be using the website WeaveSilk. Let's get started. To begin, up above my head, you're going to see a few different options. Here, when you click on New, you'll get a new page. If you click on these arrows, it will go to full screen. The camera icon here will help you save your picture. The circle right here are the different controls. And then this is the redo button, this little circular arrow. You could also click Z to undo. Go ahead and click on controls. You're going to see a little color wheel here. Below hand, you're going to see lines of symmetry. You're also going to see mirror access, which is like a singular line down the center of the page. If you want to create like a butterfly or a face or anything with a single line of symmetry, you'll use this right here. And then there's also the spiral. So if you're creating like a snowflake or something with multiple layers of symmetry, you'll want to turn that on. Go ahead and turn on the mirror across center. That way you'll have, see these two dots? These two dots kind of follow each other. You can also add different lines of symmetry if you're wanting to do something that has a mirror line or a symmetry line, not just vertically, but horizontally as well. Like say I want to do a big butterfly wing to start. Okay. I can turn that off. Say I want to add just some pink up here. Let's do a bunch of warm colors. Let's do orange, get like a fiery top for the wing. I'll add in some more yellow, another primary color. Let's add some cool colors down below. A little violet down here. In here I have my butterfly design. You can take a screenshot of this, or you can go over to that little camera icon to save it and send that to me in Google Classroom. It's up to you what you create, as long as you have at least one line of symmetry. So that mirror access gives you that one line of symmetry. I could click on New here, and I could turn on the spiral option. So I want to do, whoa, that's cool. There's so many different things you could do with this, and you're welcome to send me more than one picture. If you end up creating something really interesting and then you keep playing it, and you've got more cool stuff to show me, go ahead and send me more cool stuff. I'm always down to see more. Oh, this is so fun. All right, guys. Till next time, keep being creative.